Let's see what hubby's harvesting today, guys. Oops. Some banana peppers. Let's see what's going on over here. It's October. Look at these peppers pop. These peppers are popping, y'all. He's gonna leave some. He's getting the bigger ones. And look, we got some bell peppers popping through. October, honey. Yeah, we got a lot during the summer. Now they're coming back. All right, let's see what we got over here. This is my episode of Harvesting with Hubby. All right, we got those. And here's all my fall seedlings and plants here that I grew from seed. Look at these. Everybody's October's doing good, guys. Everything's healthy and growing. Cabbage, sage, little tomatoes. Look, I got some banana peppers over here. I'm gonna let them. Thanks, hubby. See these peppers here. Got a big green bell pepper in there. I might have to get. Look at these little tomatoes popping through. I'll eat when they ripen up. Like there's like one red one there. Each time one is red, I'll just pop it in my mouth. They're sweet too. And I still haven't like cleaned this out yet. But I popped these seeds in here over the summer, probably July or August, and they come up when they get ready. I think that's lettuce. And those of you that have hostas, like our deer ate our hostas over the summer. And but you know, if they still have roots to them, they'll grow back. So we kind of saved that one. It's coming back. Look at these bell peppers right here. I mean, banana peppers. Banana peppers. That's celery. Let's go over to the cabbage patch. Okay, this is my cabbage. This is my grow table. I have another one. When I was a caterer, I had a bunch of tables. I sold most of them. I'm so glad I kept these two. And they were like way back in the garage. So I found them, pulled them out. I'm like, honey, because I'm not about bending all the time. This is perfect height for me managing these plants, harvesting. So these are cabbages. A couple of collards over here. These are the collards that are in my in the challenge, in the collards and cabbage challenge. That one right there. And this one is my cabbage entry. Celery, October. And looks like some flying seeds. See, something's going to get to these somehow, some way, some pest. But it's less pest damage because they're up high. These are doing well here. These were little bitty ones. I think over the weekend, hubby and I, we're going to bring that other table out. So I'm going to have 2 grow tables out here. I'll put the chair somewhere. And so, yeah, I'm trying to eat some of these by Thanksgiving. I'm not worrying about it. It's October. Thanksgiving's end of November. So I should be able to eat something. These are some more. These are some young cabbage. These were kind of struggling. So I did these last. And I did some different soil. I kind of did a soil mix. So I want to see how these do. So I want these by themselves. And if I don't like how they're growing, I'll pop some new ones in here. All right, so that's hubby out here. He's vacuuming. Oh, not only are we growing vegetables, we're growing grass. You know, this part of Georgia, it's hard to get, and in the summer, it gets too hot. And so our grass really suffers. Hubby's been putting down grass seed. It's coming in thick, too. All over here. All right, so that's what's going on today, guys. All right, let me go in. I got some chili cooking. Let me get my chili. Let me see what's going on in the greenhouse. Okay, that's lettuce way back there. So I gotta pop that up. Then I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna be doing like succession planting. All right, babe. All right, guys. Talk to y'all later.